Welcome to an Aliyah a day by Benei Avraham. The power of accountability and restoration. In the third Aliyah of Parshat Naso, found in Numbers 5, verses 1 through 10, we encounter a unique commandment regarding the removal of impurity from the camp of Israel. The focus is on maintaining a sacred environment where God's presence can dwell among His people. One aspect that stands out in this passage is the emphasis on accountability and restoration. When someone sins against another person, they are required to acknowledge their wrongdoing, make restitution, and seek reconciliation. This process ensures that the community remains whole and aligned with God's righteous standards. The Torah teaches us that our actions have consequences, not only in our relationship with God, but also in our relationships with others. When we wrong someone, it creates a rift in the fabric of community and trust. It is through accountability and restoration that healing and reconciliation can take place. The Talmud, Bava Kama 92a, states, "Great is repentance, for it brings healing to the world." This quote highlights the transformative power of repentance and the profound impact it has on repairing and restoring the world around us. Parshat Naso reminds us of the importance of acknowledging our mistakes and taking active steps to rectify them. It is not enough to merely ask for forgiveness. We must also take concrete actions to make amends and demonstrate genuine remorse. In our own lives, let us reflect on the relationships that have been strained or broken due to our actions or words. Parshat Naso challenges us to embrace the path of accountability and restoration, seeking forgiveness and pursuing reconciliation with those we have wronged. Through this process, we not only restore harmony within our community, but also foster personal growth and spiritual elevation. As we engage in acts of teshuvah, repentance, we align ourselves with God's divine attributes of mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May Parshat Naso inspire us to embrace the transformative power of accountability and restoration. Let us be agents of healing and reconciliation, cultivating a community that uplifts and supports one another. Together, we can create a space where God's presence can dwell, and where love, forgiveness, and unity flourish.